Your time is valuable, so I'm going to get straight to the point. If you want to maximize the amount of money that you make online, you need to be using video. It doesn't matter if you're selling a physical product, selling an info product, selling a service, building a list for affiliate marketing, blogging, growing your social media following, or just about anything else on the internet. By using video, you will increase your bottom line. But I completely understand why many online marketers haven't yet been able to get into video marketing. Getting into video usually requires deep pockets to pay for an expensive suite of video editing tools. It also requires a lot of technical knowledge and expertise to understand how to use those tools effectively. Worst of all, it usually involves getting in front of the camera, which is one of the most awkward things you will ever experience. But now, dominating video has become a whole lot easier. Introducing QishioVid, the complete video marketing solution. QishioVid is the only tool you need to dominate video marketing online. It's a video hosting platform with a built-in marketing suite, all under one roof. It's 100% beginner-friendly and handles all of your needs from hosting to editing to SEO, enabling you to get a huge number of targeted eyeballs on your videos, even if you've never before ranked a video in your life. It even comes complete with over 20K stock assets, enabling you to create incredible videos without ever having to record any footage yourself. QishioVid replaces Wistia, Vimeo, Photoshop, Canva, Premiere, Vegas, Final Cut, Filmora, Artlist, iStock, Shutterstock, Pexels, Camtasia, Loom, Fiverr, Freelancer, and more. And during this special launch period, you can access QishioVid for an extremely affordable one-time fee, enabling you to dominate the world of video while waving goodbye to that suite of expensive tools that continues to suck cash out of your bank each and every month. We're so confident you'll love the software that we're even throwing in a rock-solid, no-questions-asked, money-back guarantee for good measure. What's the catch? The only catch is that this is an introductory offer. Very soon, we're moving to a monthly subscription. Hit the buy button below to grab QishioVid for the affordable one-time fee before it's too late.
Welcome to QishioVid. This is a quick demo overview. Come in, you log in, you're going to start off here in the dashboard, which is right here. And you can see your basic information, how many we're seeing today, how many they've seen this week and this month and this year, and then graphical representation of that data. All right, so of course you can update your profile here, all your information about yourself. You can update that. Here, your videos will be shown here. Here's where you can upload your video as a video hosting. This is where you click and upload your video. You click on browse and upload it, and then it shows up right here in your profile. So those are the videos that you have uploaded. All right, then we come to our image creator. Again, very powerful image creator. It allows you to create, design, edit, all kinds of stuff. So let's go with one of these here. You see you pull up, here's a sample, and then you can add stuff to it. You can transform it. You can add text to it. You can add shapes and stickers, put a frame around it, and there you are. Apply, and now you actually have that. Okay, so zoom in, zoom out, adjust. It's a very powerful one. You can save it and download it to your computer. So that's your image creator. Your video editor comes in. It opens up a new window. You'll log in there. There's a whole nother video on the video creator itself. The 20,000 stock assets. Now, this is impressive. All of these, 20,000 stock assets as a stock video bundle. There is a quotes, 550 quote images, 800 background audios, custom. So everything you would need for your videos are here. You just click on that. It'll open up the link to it. You download it, have it right on your hard drive. All these are for you just for purchasing QishioVid. All right, so that's the 20,000 stock assets screen recorder. So if you want to create a training, kind of like what I'm doing right now, you do this right here in the screen recorder. You start it, you stop it, you download it, you've got it. Just like you're watching this video now, you can do this with your screen recorder. Trainings and tutorials will all be in here that you will be able to access right there. And then support. If you have a problem, you have a question, you click on support, it'll take you to the support page. So that is QishioVid demo. There's a lot of things here that you can utilize to begin your video business or expand your video business. So take a look at all of these and take a look at each video that we've done to explain the different pieces, and you'll see how powerful QishioVid is.
Hi there, my name's Thomas, and I want to thank you for checking out my channel and this video. If you have found any value at all from what you've seen here today, I would really appreciate a like and a subscribe so that I can continue to keep bringing you videos like this. If you have any interest in the product at all, check out the link below and you can get some more information. If you do today decide that you want to go in and check out more information on this product, I'm going to send you a free gift whether you decide to purchase or not. I appreciate your time, and I know that your time is precious, so that's the least that I can do for you. If you continue to do that, I'm going to promise to continue to bring videos like this to you so you can see different products and different opportunities. And remember to make every day count. Thank you.